Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. Well, today on the menu we are making some delicious chicken wrap that takes no time to make. So come along and let's get right into the video. So over here I have some chicken thighs which I have cleaned and cut into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to season this with some mustard powder, ginger powder, some paprika powder, that's some black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some chili flakes for that extra kick. Also add your salt to taste, and then add some turmeric powder. Now go ahead and mix everything together until the chicken is well coated. Add a tablespoon of some vegetable oil, and this will help your seasoning stick better to your chicken. Mix it well and set it aside. Now on your stove, heat your frying pan on a medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of some vegetable oil. When your oil is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and add your seasoned chicken. Now go ahead and cook your chicken on medium heat until well cooked and crisp on the outside. Now transfer your cooked chicken into a separate bowl when it is well cooked and looking all golden like this. We are now going to set our cooked chicken aside and proceed by making a simple slaw. In a mixing bowl, add some shredded white cabbage, some shredded red cabbage, and some julienne carrots or shredded carrots, some sliced red onion, and then toss everything around until well combined. Now to dress our slaw, you want to add some mayonnaise into your mixing bowl. Add some ketchup, and I'm using equal part of mayonnaise to equal part of ketchup. Next, add some salad cream, and I'm using our old Heinz salad cream. And then also add about a tablespoon of some sweet chili sauce. Next, I also add about a tablespoon of some garlic sauce. Now mix everything together until well combined. Now season your sauce with some garlic powder and some black pepper. You want to use the freshly cracked one because it tastes better. Now add some salt to taste and mix it well. Once you are done, your sauce should be this thick and not too loose, so your wrap doesn't become too wet. Now pour your sauce onto your slaw and mix it well until your slaw is just moistened with your sauce. You don't want your slaw to be all drenched with your sauce so that your wrap doesn't become all soggy. So now let's move on with the wrapping of our wraps. I'm using a 25 centimeters tortilla, but any kind will do. So I top my tortilla with some of our slaw. I make sure that it is well filled, and then add some of the chicken. Be generous with your chicken. Now finally top it with some grated cheese, and any good melting cheese will work here. So to wrap the tortilla, I fold the sides first, fold over one side and pull it back tightly to keep everything inside and roll it out. Okay, so I know that went fast. Let's try it one more time. So first roll over the sides, then pull it towards you and pull it back tightly so everything doesn't fall out. Tuck the sides in and roll it forward, and that's it. So next we are going to grill our wraps for about 3 to 4 minutes just to get the cheese melting. But of course you don't have to use your grill, you can use a dry frying pan, that will work too. And 4 minutes later, here we are. Our wraps are beautifully grilled and they are looking so gorgeous. I mean, this is the only thing you miss when you don't use your grill. You miss the marks, but hey, the taste is still going to be superb. So before we bring this video to an end, I'm sure you want to see how this looks on the inside. So here we go. Just look at that. So filled. It's well filled, so this is very filling, great for a lunch or even a light dinner. I really hope that you try this simple and easy chicken wrap recipe because trust me, you are going to love it. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!